Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a reverse spiral that I'm going to rainbow dye. To begin, I've washed my shirt in the washing machine and I've just taken it out after it was finished, but the shirt is still damp. I'm going to use a fork to begin my spiral, and I'm going to spiral my shirt up the way I normally would. When I'm finished with my spiral, I'm going to hold it in place with some rubber bands. Now it's time for the color removal process. I'm going to use some Rit Color Remover, and I've combined a couple of the techniques that they list in their instructions on how to remove the dye. I've taken a clean bucket and I've added really hot tap water to the bottom of my bucket, probably about a third of the way full. Then I brought some water to a boil on the stove and have dumped that inside the bucket too. So my water is really hot, but it's not so hot that it's going to melt my bucket. I added 2 boxes of the Rit Color Remover and stirred it up with a pair of tongs that I bought from the dollar store. I use these only for tie-dyeing. Then I'm putting my shirt down inside, and along with it I'm going to put 3 other shirts. So I'm going to do 4 shirts total in this one bucket of color remover. The instructions say that you can leave your shirts down in the remover for about 20 minutes, so that's what I did. After 20 minutes, I pulled all the shirts out, rinsed them out in the sink in warm water, I untied all of them, and then I threw them in the washing machine with some Dharma textile detergent. After they finished washing, I soaked them in soda ash like I normally would, and now they're ready to tie. Since this shirt was already a spiral design, I'm going to spin the shirt in the opposite direction for my next spiral. And I'm going to hold the shirt in place with rubber bands. Okay, it's time to dye the shirt. So on the front side of the shirt, I'm going to do some Dharma colors. I'm starting with fire red, deep orange, lemon yellow, bright green, turquoise, grape, and fuchsia. I'm trying to saturate the front really well. I'd like for my colors to just start to come through to the back side. Once I feel like I have the front of the shirt saturated well, I'm going to turn the shirt over. I'm going to put Custom Colors Black all on the back of the shirt. I'm going to cover the entire back, but I don't want to oversaturate because I don't want the black to overtake all the rainbow colors on the front of the shirt. Then I'm going to turn the shirt back over and let it process with the rainbow color side up. Alright, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. If you guys are enjoying watching these videos, sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.